Hey everyone, and welcome back to Success Steps. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects every single one of us, whether we're starting a new business, picking up a new skill, or trying to achieve a long-term goal. It's the crippling habit of looking at someone who seems to have it all figured out. The perfect career, the polished persona, the massive success, and feeling completely inadequate about where we are. We're talking about the profound yet often forgotten truth. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Think about it. Your chapter 1 is the messy, exciting, uncertain beginning. You're still learning the characters, outlining the plot, and figuring out the setting. Their chapter 20 is a polished, edited, and well-developed narrative that only shows the results of years of struggle, redrafts, and near quits. When you stack your fragile start against their glorious middle, you're not getting an honest picture. You're just setting yourself up for distraction and self-doubt. So, in today's video, we're going to break down why this comparison is so damaging, and more importantly, how to shift your focus back to your own precious, unique story. Let's step into this. That's a powerful and relatable message. Here is an article on the concept. Stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. It's one of the most insidious traps of the modern age, the constant, often subconscious comparison game. We scroll through perfectly curated social media feeds, read glowing success stories, and watch our peers achieve milestones that feel miles away. In these moments, it's easy to feel a crippling sense of inadequacy. This feeling is best captured by a simple, profound truth. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. This isn't just about a book. It's about life, career, personal development, and any journey worth undertaking. When you compare your shaky, uncertain beginning, your chapter 1, to the polished, successful, and often edited middle or end of someone else's story, their chapter 20, you set yourself up for failure, disappointment, and a stalled journey. The problem with the comparison trap. 1. You're comparing raw footage to a highlight reel. The journey to chapter 20 is filled with countless messy drafts, revisions, self-doubt, rejections, and moments where the author wanted to quit. When they present their finished chapter, all that struggle is edited out. You are seeing the result, not the process. Your messy chapter 1 is the process, the real, honest work that's meant to be imperfect. 2. You don't know the genre. Everyone's story is a different genre. Someone who is on chapter 20 of a career-focused epic may have a chapter 1 in their personal life or health journey. Their success in one area doesn't mean they've mastered everything. Your path is unique, and its value can't be measured against a different blueprint. 3. Comparison steals your joy and focus. The moment you shift your focus from writing your next sentence to worrying about what their next paragraph looks like, you lose momentum. Comparison breeds envy, which is a massive distraction. Joy is found in the progress you make on your own terms, not in the proximity of your achievements to someone else's. How to embrace your chapter 1. Number 1. Define your personal success metrics. Stop using external benchmarks. What does your finished book look like? If your goal is to write 500 words of a novel and you write 501, you've succeeded. If your goal is to learn the first chord on a guitar and you do it, that's a Chapter 1 victory. Focus on small internal victories rather than major external comparisons. Number 2, treat the journey as a ladder, not a pole vault. Success is a gradual climb, not a single spectacular jump. Every chapter you complete builds the foundation for the next. The struggles in Chapter 1 are the lessons that make Chapter 10 possible. Be present in the learning process. Number 3, seek inspiration, not invalidation. Instead of feeling smaller when you see someone else's success, use it as proof of concept. If they can get to Chapter 20, you can too. Instead of comparing, try reverse engineering their success. What did they do in their Chapter 1 to get to where they are now? Their story can be a roadmap, not a yardstick. Your Chapter 1 is sacred. It's the moment of maximum potential, filled with raw energy and exciting possibilities. It doesn't need to be polished, profitable, or impressive to anyone else. It just needs to be yours. Put your head down, focus on your own narrative, and celebrate the small act of simply showing up to write the next page. All right, Success Steppers, that's it for today's deep dive into the comparison trap. Remember this takeaway. Your Chapter 1 is not a failure, it's a foundation. It is where the most valuable learning happens. The successful people you admire didn't skip their messy beginnings, they simply worked through them. Their success is proof that the process works, not proof that you are somehow behind. Stop wasting energy scrolling through someone else's highlight reel. Close that other book and focus on the beautiful, unfolding pages of your own life. Be proud of the work you're putting in today, because today's small steps are what guarantee a great story down the road. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more success steps, and let me know in the comments below. What small victory are you celebrating in your Chapter 1 this week? Keep stepping forward, and I'll see you in the next video.